Welcome guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making Anisettes. I'm Luigi the cooking guy / baking. Scott Court much, I don't want to hear your mouth. Okay. Today we're going to be making Anisettes, Italian style. This recipe is passed down from generations, at least probably 3 generations, maybe more. So I have my little recipe here because I can't have it stored here because it's just too much. But that's actually not too much, but I'm more of the cooking side. But today, hey, Christmas is here. Let's learn how to bake some cookies, okay? We're gonna make some Anisettes. I got all my ingredients right here, okay? With the Anisettes, I'm gonna tell you right off the hop. Put a little thing of flour over here, and we're gonna go to roll them. You wanna put your hands in here when you roll them so the dough doesn't stick to your hands, okay? Come on, okay. Now, we are going to put, this is all going to be put in there and folded together, okay? Let me grab a fork. Keep those eggs before we throw them in. 2 sticks of butter. What are we doing? We're throwing it in. Throw it in. Oops, a little flour on the floor. That's all right. We'll get that straightened right out, all right? Okay.
Luigi, what are you throwing it into?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm throwing it into my all-purpose flour, okay? And it's all-purpose flour, and we are using 6 cups. 6 cups. So there's 5 in there. This is the 6th, okay? That's the 6th cup. Okay. Now, I'd like to maybe just press this in a little bit and just work it in. Just spread it out a little bit, okay? You put the gloves on, no shootouts, you know. It's good. They're clean. They're new gloves. Nice. You mix it up, okay? Basically, we're going to be folding everything into each other. Put in 1 cup of sugar, just regular granulated sugar. Nothing special about this recipe, guys. It's probably all stuff that you got in your cabinet. If you don't, go to the store and pick up whatever odds and ends you need. So far, we got 2 sticks of butter, 1 cup of sugar, the 4 eggs. Let's see. Can Luigi do it? Huh? When we juggle them? No, I can't juggle them. I'll break them, every single one of them. I'll break every single one. I'm not kidding you. Oh, take it easy with the shells. We don't want those shells. Okay, got this. 2, 3. Hold on. Another 4. Boom. Okay. Mix it up. Nice. Okay. This will be your 4 eggs. I love brown eggs, so that's what I use, brown eggs. Okay. We're gonna put these in there. Mix it all up. Nice. That's it. Very simple. Make sure we don't put any parsley in there. It'll look a little funny in your Christmas cookies. Okay, throw that in here. I just said it. Now we got 1 tablespoon of, this is 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Regular baking soda, nothing special. Throw it in. Oh, that's right. Throw it, you gotta get it all in there, huh? All right, throw it in. All right. Now this right here, 6 tablespoons of baking powder. So you got, what'd I say, a tablespoon of baking soda and 6 forget about what is it with me and these tablespoons? They're teaspoons, okay? Teaspoons. I'm sorry, teaspoons. 6 teaspoons of Andomats of baking powder. 6 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay, it's all in there. Let's see, orange juice. Okay, 1 3/4, a cup and a third. Okay, 1 1/3 cups. That's close enough. You got to be close, huh? Okay. I hope this bowl is big enough, or else we're going to throw it all out. I'm going to go out and buy a bigger bowl. Now we got that. Okay, that's that. 2 teaspoons of orange extract. Okay, orange extract. There it is, 2 teaspoons. I know they say don't pour it over the thing over here. What did I say, 2 teaspoons?
Yes.
Yeah? Oh, okay. Love music. I got screw dots all over everything. Okay. 1. Okay, I respect. And you know what? We're gonna make that 3. We're gonna change this to 3 teaspoons, okay? All the directions and ingredients are gonna be at the end. You see, I'm kind of out of my wheelhouse here, but don't worry about it. It's gonna be fine, okay? We're gonna mix it all up over here. I got my little utensils just to get us going, okay? Mix it up. Mix it up, nice. Once this is all blended up nice, we're gonna go over there and we're gonna grease our pans, okay? And we're gonna grease them. Well, I'm gonna grease them with butter. You grease them with butter, you get a better flavor into the cookie. You can use Crisco to do it if that works for you, but that's not what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use butter. So guys, here we are. We're greasing up the pan with the butter. Leave the gloves on so you can save the butter, or if you don't wanna wear gloves, don't wear the gloves, but throw the butter away because it's pretty disgusting unless you're gonna eat it yourself, huh? Okay. This is nice and greased with the butter, which adds to the flavor. When you're cooking, it gets a little bit more golden brown. Okay? You know, and don't use cooking spray. Don't use cooking spray. I'm old school. So Tara and I were just talking about it. This recipe is actually, I'm the 5th generation for this recipe. I'm beside myself. So that's that, okay? Put that back in there. It's nice and clean. Everything's clean. We're gonna bring this over here. So the batter came out really well. Okay, we're gonna roll them up. Oh, bad. Screwed up. Hold on. Okay. All right. Take it easy. Don't get excited. Put your hands in the flour. The flour. Put your hands in it. If you don't put your hands in it, that's gonna stick right to your hands. Okay. We're making little Paulines. Little Paulines over here. Oh, well, yours is smaller than that. Get the hell out of here. But, okay, a little bit more flour. And just roll them out, man. They're Angenettes. You guys know what they look like. You don't know what they look like? Well, this is what they look like. When they come out, they're going to be freaking awesome. I like the good sized ones. They're good in the morning. They're good to put at the, for the holiday, man. It's a Christmas cookie, bro. It's a Christmas cookie. All right, so we're gonna just roll these all out like this. We got our oven already preheated to 350, okay? So preheated to 350. I think I'm gonna make them a little bit smaller, guys. Reason being, they're gonna expand and they're gonna grow. So, oh, guys, I forgot to tell you. You don't know if you noticed, I've been putting on a little bit of weight, you know. Luigi, he's gonna have a baby. He's gonna have a baby. I ain't having no baby. Forget about it. Ain't nobody having no kids over here. We ain't got kids. They're all done. They're grown. Get out of the house. Okay? That's it. Rocco, over there. Okay? Nikki, Pascal, I know you're talking smack right now about my cookies and, you know, the weight and all that. I got friends. They like to break my stones a little bit. We work through it. It's time to joke around. You joke around, you have fun. So, we roll them all out. Make sure that you put your hands in the flour. Very important, or else it's going to stick. It's going to make a big mess. It's like glue. Okay? Have a dish of flour here. Dip your hands and make sure it's a generous amount. Don't be cheap. Don't be cheap. Flour's not expensive yet. But put a good amount in there. At least like that in a flat dish. You could just boop, boop. Dip your hands. Grab it out. It won't stick. Next. Doop, boop. You like the boop, boop stuff? Yeah. Okay. So now these are going to go in the oven. The oven is at 350. Make sure you preheat it. These are going to be ready in about 7 to 8 minutes, okay? This whole batter is, well, let's get these in the oven. I'll explain the rest. Put them in. Bake. 350. What are we doing? What are we doing, guys? Come on, talk to me over here. Talk to me. We're going to throw them in. Throw them in, all right? Boom. Paco, take it easy. It's okay. Hold on. No security breach. It's okay. Stay put, buddy. Look at that. Huh? That door better close over here, Tara. Okay, no problem. No cookies, Ashbat. Throw them in. 305. We'll check them at the 307. Okay? Now, we're going to come over here. Simple. You know the little frosting thing you put? we're gonna do that. Hold on. Come on. We gotta make them festive, right? They gotta look nice. It's all right. You can look over here. It's all right. I got these for you guys, okay? Because we need Christmas colors on those babies, right? We ain't ready to dip them on yet, but we're making this. We're making the frosting for them. So this is 1 cup, right? What is that? 1 cup? 1/2 a cup? What did I do over here? No, it's a 1/2 a cup. Again, out of my wheelhouse, but you guys are gonna love these. I love them. You're like, fat bastard, you love everything. So 1/2 a cup of powdered sugar, okay? 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. I put anisette extract, okay? I'm gonna put 1/2 a teaspoon. Right, Ma? That's what goes in it, right? 1/2 a teaspoon. 1/2 a teaspoon. Don't pour it over the ingredients. You're not supposed to pour this over the ingredients, but since I'm Luigi, the Italian cooking guy, and I'm, professional, I want a little bit more anisette. Okay, that's good. Strong stuff. I shit you not. Then the other thing is 2 tablespoons of hot water. Okay? 2 tablespoons of hot water. There's 1, hold on. 1, 2. Okay? What do we do? I'm gonna put over here. Actually, right over here. Oh, that's it. That's it. If you need more for the cookies, because we do got a pretty good sized batch over here, you could just make more. But they don't. That should be enough. I mean, that should be enough. I'm gonna switch this out to a souffle cup, but that should be enough, guys. So the next thing you're gonna see is those beautiful golden brown cookies coming out of the oven, and Luigi stuffing them down his throat like they're Tic Tacs. All right. So next time when we come back, we'll be pulling the cookies out of the oven, Jeanette's, put them on the counter, let them cool for a little bit, and then you're gonna dip them in the frosting. You don't want to dip them in when they're hot because the frosting will just run right off of them. All right. You gotta let that cool a little bit and let the cookies cool so it sticks. And then what you do, you take this, you put it in a little dish on the side. Oh, that's weird. Okay, we got magic. Okay, so you can put them in a little dish on the side and just boop, right in, and then you put them on the side. Okay, but we'll explain all that when we come back. Okay, guys, the cookies are done. Okay, they're a little bigger than I should have made them, but I'm not gonna lie to you, I did cheat and taste one. Come on, okay, you're talking to me. All right. I tasted one, they're fantastic. I'm gonna take them out of the oven. They're done, so these were in for 25 minutes. If they're smaller, they'll cook faster. The bigger they are, obviously it'll take a little longer. Still the same temperature, guys, 350. We're gonna have all that at the end of the video to make it easy for you. Okay, nice golden brown, look at that, slide right around, okay? So there's a couple missing out of that tray tower. Where's Nicky Pascal? He's probably hiding in the garage. Where is he? That gaton. Nico! Yeah. Good, we're changing the counters. Get rid of these garbage counters. Okay. Nice. Nice. Okay. Then now what we're gonna do, we're gonna let them cool. I might have to taste one, but we'll let them cool off. And I'm gonna let them cool. See, they didn't stick. Nice. Nice little golden brown right there. Okay. Then when we're done, they get a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of boop, and they dry. All right? So guys, the cookies are cooled. Some of them came a little bit bigger than I wanted to. The camera lady told me that if my aunt was here, she'd be giving me a backhand to the side of the head. Too big. Lou, you don't make them like that. You make them smaller. Okay, Ozzy, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So I gave you a couple little things here. You could dip them. You could push them in there to get a lot of sprinkles, medium sprinkles, and a light sprinkle. Let's give you a little demonstration over here. I'll take a little cookie. So you just boom, put it in. Don't get fresh, guys. Okay. That's it. You're done. You're done. All right? That is your cookie. Then I want you guys to subscribe. Reason being, there's no other guy like me, crazy like me. Come on, what are you kidding me? subscribe. I got stained glass cookies coming soon. It's going to be the video after this one. After this one's uploaded, we're going to be uploading the stained glass cookies. So make sure you pound that subscribe button. All right? This is Luigi, the Italian cooking guy, coming at you somewhere on the west coast of Florida, saying, bon appetit and stutta bon, my paisans.